Let's go on an adventure with Noah. The secret of bird nests. Why do birds build nests? Learn how birds make cozy homes for their babies. If you enjoy learning with Noah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, my little friend. Hi my little friends, back with Noah again. Have you ever seen a bird carrying tiny twigs or leaves in its beak? Do you know what it's doing? That's right, it's building a nest. But why do birds build nests? Let's find out together in today's cozy and feathery adventure. What is a nest? A nest is like a little home that birds build for their eggs and babies. It's soft, warm, and safe, just like your bed at home. Birds use twigs, grass, feathers, mud, and even bits of string to make it strong and comfy. Every bird builds its nest in a special way, just like every person's home is different. To keep their eggs safe. The main reason birds build nests is to protect their eggs. The eggs are tiny and delicate, so birds need a safe place where nothing can hurt them. The nest keeps the eggs warm until the baby birds are ready to hatch. It's like a warm blanket made of nature. A safe place for baby birds. When baby birds hatch, they can't fly or find food yet. So the nest becomes their little nursery. The mama and papa birds bring food and keep the babies warm until they're strong enough to fly. After a few weeks, the nest becomes a training ground. You can see the baby birds flapping their tiny wings, getting ready for their first flight. It's like bird school, learning how to fly. Different birds, different nests. Not all birds build nests in trees. Let's explore. Eagles build huge nests high up in tall trees. Some are big enough for a person to sit in. Woodpeckers make holes in tree trunks to hide their eggs. Penguins build nests out of stones. Swallows use mud to make nests under roofs or bridges. Weaver birds make fancy hanging nests that look like woven baskets. Wow, birds are such clever builders. Fun facts. Some birds can build a nest in just one day. The bald eagle's nest can weigh up to 1 ton. Birds use their beaks like hands to carry and shape materials. And some birds build new nests every year to keep their babies extra safe. Home sweet home. Nests are not just shelters, they are homes full of love. Birds work together, take care of their eggs, feed their babies, and watch them grow. Then, when the young birds learn to fly, they leave the nest and start their own adventures. It's the circle of life, from nest to sky. So my little friends, now we know, birds build nests to keep their eggs and babies safe, warm, and loved. It's their special home, made with care and teamwork. Next time you see a bird flying with twigs, remember, it's building something amazing. Thank you for learning with Noah. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll see you next time on Fun Explorer Kids. Bye bye my little friends.